if you were a bug or a butterfly, do you want to fly across this just grass, or do you want to fly on a flyway? This is an insectary. Why did I plant this? It looks like weeds, Heather. Are you out of your mind? Well, no, I'm not. The reason that I've implanted this is for multiple things. One, it's adding nitrogen to this very compact soil. I grow things like crimson clover and other nitrogen fixing herbs and flowers in this area. Two, it will eventually be what's called an espalier, which is a fruit wall with espalier trees. In the meantime, we're building the soil and we're providing habitat for insects. Because if we can provide habitat for insects and make it easier for them to fly from one point to another, which is what they prefer, they like to forage on the way, they'd like to have some shelter along the way, because if you're an insect, this is a lot more appealing than trying to fly across the grass. The grass makes you very, very vulnerable. You stand out if you're a butterfly or a bug that somebody would like to eat, but if you fly in a flyway, you're able to hide. And hiding is a good thing when you are one of nature's hot dogs. Here is a very fat swallowtail. Now I bet if you're a bird, he just looks like greenery right now. So this is one reason why you want to put some of your things within an insectary that allows habitat that enables your insect to hide. In this case, a caterpillar to hide. He's hiding from birds. Birds think he's delicious, and if you're a mama bird, you need about 3,000 of those caterpillars for your nest. So it's super important to consider flyways on your property, whether you've got a large garden or whether you've just got a little home garden. Create a little patch of wildflowers and herbs for your insects. They'll tell you thank you. Garden thoughtfully. Take care.